Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. So today we are making this stylish free dress going to have trumpet sleeve on it, and we are using 3 yards of Ankara fabric to make this beautiful style. So guys, I would like you to sit back to watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to learn how to cut and sew this beautiful style on your own. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and under my video to subscribe now. You can share this video with your friends, and your friends also subscribe to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. You can see how beautiful the style is on my body. I would like you to also make yours so that you'll be able to wear it out the way I'm wearing my own. Very beautiful style. So like I said, if you're interested to know how to make it, please watch this video to the end. Keep on watching it. So let's get started now.
So this is our material that we are using to make this free dress that we have a trumpet sleeve. So let me open it and fold it out so that we'll start with our measurement now. So just watch this video the way I was seeing me doing it. So this is the length. My length that I'm having there is 39 and the weight is 12. So it's 12 that we will use throughout, like the body weight of this dress. So the neck that I'm using marking there is 3. The depth of my neck is 3 also, and to bring down the neck that we have a V-neck at the down, because it has V-neck at the front side too. So what I'm marking there is 2.5. So everything that we have there is 5.2. So that is the neck that you will give at the round side before bringing it down. So that is what I'm doing. So this height will go. So my shoulder is 8, so that is my 8. So you just mark it to get a straight line, and there is where you get your armhole. So you roll it, and that is where you get your body measurement. That my body measurement, the bust. So my bust measurement that I'm having there is 38. So I'm not making it 38, I'm making it 11 so that it will be free at that place, including the sewing allowance. So that my shoulder slope, I gave it 1 inch on it. So that's how you slope your own, because you have to be slope. So to come to the arm, the waistline, so what I'm marking there is not up to that 16 my half length. No, I'm making it 14 so that it will start from that place and have a shape. So what I marked there is 10.5. So remember where I mark my bust is 11. So to just give it a little shape is 10.5. So that's what I've marked there. So you just take it down now. So to my down of my length, what I marked there is 11. So I want it to be 11 too. So including the sewing allowance is there also, and my measurement for the length is 38. The actual length is 38. So to fold it out is 1 inch, making it that 39 that I just mentioned earlier. So this is how you go about it when making this free dress, and it will have a round sleeve. That is a flesh trumpet sleeve, please. So that is my neck. What I'm marking there at the neck for the back is 1.5, because I will use it to cut the back side. That's why you see me cutting the neck like this. You can see me doing. So this is how you go about it when making your own. Please guys, always watch my channel and watch it to the end so that more people can learn from it also. So this is how you go and mark and cut. So this is the front side that we are making actually. So I will also teach you guys how to cut your facing when making this kind of dress. So you will see me showing you how to cut it and do it the way you see me doing it, and it will come out very well. You can see that we are using a craft to make this dress. It's a 3 yards fabric that we are using to cut this style. So this is how you also cut your own. What I'm doing here now is the back side. You're using the front to lay it and cut out. So we are using the front now to cut the back side. Already the measurement is done from the side, the front side of this style that we are making, just for us now to lay it and use it to cut the back. That is what you are seeing me doing here. So this is how you also make your own. So I'm cutting from the down side, and you see me coming up to cut. So this is it now. So this is how you go and do your own. Please always watch it so that you can make it on your own and have your fabric, so that you can cut it and cut it the way you are seeing me doing, and before you know, you are free from this kind of style and you'll be able to do it on your own. That is why I'm showing you. So that is the neck. So now I want to cut the front neck now. So this is how you cut. You Can you see what I'm doing there? Putting my scissors to cut that neck. This is the neck that we want to make on this free dress. It has a v-neck on the front side of it, but this v-neck is also different. You can see the way I bring it down, that is the depth of the neck. So I will also open it for you to see what I mean. This it is. So can you see the neck now? That is what I'm cutting out. So this is how you will also make your own. And after that, I will now use it to cut the facing. So I will cut the facing for you now to see, and this is how you also go about it. So this is the facing now that I want to use to cut the front side of it. So you just use your fabric and lay on it and cut it out. And I will also use my pin to pin it out for you to see how you will go and sew it on your machine when sewing it. We have not sewn it, but I will use pin to pin it the way we will go and sew it on the machine. So just look every detail that you are seeing me doing and do it when you want to make your own. So this is how you make your own. So this is the neck. So I want to cut now. After cutting, I will use my pin to pin it down for us to go and stitch it on the machine. And after doing that too, just iron it out. And before then too, before sewing it, I will use my gum stain to gum it so that it will be firm, because of the neck that we are sewing, so that it will be firm. That is how you also make your. Remember, I will use gum stain to gum it. So I will take it and use my iron to iron it, and use the gum stain to gum it very well, so that that neck at the front will be firm. Even the back also, I will also gum it so that everything will be firm. So this is how it is. So this is how you go about it when cutting your facing. This is the facing we will use to cut the front. So let me also show you what I mean that you will use. So you just open your cloth. This is the front side of it now, and also this facing is the front. So you use the front to front and face it together and go and stitch. So what I'm doing here, I'm using my pin to pin it as if we are sewing it now, and that is how you will do it when you want to sew on your machine. So after sewing, you will now gum it out, and you will now open it and stop stitch. So this is how you will go about it. And coming to that point that I'm pointing now, you will use your machine to nudge, to hold it down, because it's like it's V there. So you turn it. After turning it, you continue to sew it and finish the other side, like the way you see me pinning again. So that is the sewing, the way I'm showing how to sew it. You finish it. By the time you finish, you top stitch, you iron it, and you take it to the wrong side, that is the back side of it now, and the front will come out. So the front will be neat and it will come out good. So you've gotten your neck. So this is how you also sew it when making your own. So that is what you're using my hand to demonstrate for you. So this is how you turn it. Yes, you will turn it that way and it will be fine, and the neck is ready. So this is how you go and do your own. So just look everything that I'm doing here and you see. So this is the back side of it now, and this is the front. That is what I did then, is the gumming. I've gummed it out. So we'll now use it. This is also the back one. So I also gum it out so that we'll now use it to go and stitch on the main fabric, and it will be ready. So this is how you go. Now is the sleeve now. So this is how you also make your trumpet sleeve. So this is the first folding. So now you fold it in triangle form. So this is my triangle that I want to fold it out so that we'll now cut our trumpet sleeve. So this is how you fold it. Can you see what I'm doing there now? So you fold it, and before you know, even before cutting it, you can see that it has formed that a triangle flare. So what I will do now, we'll start with our length for the sleeve. So, and you also make it to be equal, and that's why you are seeing me still folding it, and you feel it. Use your hand to feel it to see whether they are equal. So this is what I'm doing. So I'm feeling it to see whether it's equal, and it is equal there now. So this is how you start with your measurement now. So we start with our length. So my length that I'm having there now is 18. So that is my 18 there. So what you will do, let me start from the down side so that we'll get our length. So that is my length there now, that is 18. So from there is where you will now start with your measurement. What I will do, I will take it up again. So let me take it up to that point, that sharp place that is sharp there, so that we'll start with our measurement. So I'm just doing this one for you to just see what it will be. That is the arm side. But what I want to do now, I will take my tape rule to that and this side of your hand. This way I'm pointing at for you now to see. This way how you go about it. So you just start using your hand to hold it. Can you see what I'm doing? Holding it so that it will not move, it will not shift. So you just continue to take it and be marking. So what I'm marking there now is 21. From that place now to where you are seeing me marking is 21, but my length is 17. So you know that place that I just put in my tape is more than my length. So for us to get that actual length, you will start with that end point. So that's what I'm doing there. So it has come out that the round has come out, that is the trumpet sleeve. So this is what you now go and do now. That is where I was marking before to get my armhole. So let me use my tape to check what I have there now. So what I have there is correspond, it will be okay for my armhole, and it's 8 that I'm having there now. So remember my facing that I've used to face that my cloth is gum stain. I use gum stain to gum it so that it will be firm. So I'm just repeating myself to for you to know what I use to gum it so that it will be firm. So when making your own, this is how you will do your own. So now it's my sleeves. I've cut the downside of it, and you can see how it has come out, like the trumpet, the round circle there. So this is how it will be. So I will also open it for you now to see how it will be. So let me open it for you to see. So this is the opening side, how it has come out. So can you see how beautiful it is? So after that, now it's just for us now to go and run a stitch at the edge of it, the downside, and iron it out, and now stitch it to the body of our shift dress that we are making. It's a shift dress, remember, and it has a v-neck at the front, and that v-neck will also use gum stain facing to do all of it. So now I've run it, so that's what I'm pointing out for you. I've run it down. So with my machine, the two sleeve is, I've run it. So let me show you the other side of the sleeve. So that is it. So I've also ironed it out. So what I will just do now, because it's ready now just for me now to go and stitch it, attach it to the body, and it will be ready. So this is how it is.
Yes, our trumpet sleeve free dress is ready. Very beautiful. Don't forget we made use of 3 yards of Ankara fabric to make this beautiful dress. You saw how we came about it from the start. Please watch this tutorial again so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. It's very beautiful style that you can make. You can wear it out to your owambe, you can wear it to your Friday weekend work, you can wear it there. So guys, don't forget to also subscribe. Please do it now. Just click the red button under my video to subscribe now, and you can share this video with your friends. Give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. Another way for you to support this channel to grow is for you to always watch my tutorials to the end. Guys, please watch my tutorials to the end. We have other tutorials on this channel. Thank you for watching, my friends. Bye bye.